Hello everyone, welcome to Vedastra. Today I will discuss about the types of triangle. You can also say that classification of triangle will be discussed in this video. So let's start. This is the classification of triangles. So we have divided triangles in two parts. That is on the basis of sides and second is on the basis of angle. So we will discuss first on the basis of side. First is equilateral triangle. What is equilateral? Equilateral means same. What does mean equilateral? It means same. So equilateral triangle, what will be equilateral triangle? Its all side will be same, that is called equilateral triangle. So we can say that in a equilateral triangle, the side of the all of its side, it means its all three sides will be equal. So we can say it a equilateral triangle. And second is isosceles triangle. So what is isosceles triangle? Iso means same and isosceles means same two side. So in a triangle whose two sides are equal, that is called isosceles triangle. And what is third is scalene triangle. So what is scalene triangle? A triangle which not even two sides are equal. So we can say that all the sides of a triangle are unequal, that is called scalene triangle. It is scalene triangle. So we come to the second classifier of triangle, which is on the basis of angle. So we can say that on the basis of angle we can also classify the triangle. First is these all, it means first is equilateral triangle, second is isosceles triangle, and third is scalene triangle. It is divided on the basis of angle. So first is equilateral triangle. Let's see how we can recognize a triangle on the basis of angle. First, come at equilateral triangle. Its angle will be 60 degree. It also will be 60 degree. It also will be 60 degree. So we can say that in an equilateral triangle, the all angle of an equilateral triangle will be 60 degree. By this, we can say that it is an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. And the second is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two angles will be same. Let's say this is the theta and this also will be is the theta. So we can say that this side and this side is equal and this angle is equal. So we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. And third is scalene triangle. Its all angle will be unequal. So we can say that it is x, it is y, and it is z. So all angle unequal, that is called scalene triangle. So we come at the second stage of the angle. We will classify the triangle on the basis of angles, which is the second type. That is, first is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. What is acute angle triangle? In a triangle whose one side is in a triangle whose all side is less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle triangle. Whose all side is less than 90 degree is called acute angle triangle. Second, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, one side will be 90 degree, that is called right angle triangle, and another two sides, sum of another two sides will be also equal to 90 degree, that is called right angle triangle. And third is obtuse angle triangle, OBT, obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse angle triangle? One angle of an obtuse angle triangle will be greater than 90 degree. Let's say this is the angle which is theta. So let's say you can assume this angle or this angle, whether you want. So I assume this angle. So let's see, this is the theta. So theta will be greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. And if this follows, then we can say that it is a obtuse angle triangle. So these are the classification of the triangles. That's why. Have a nice day. See you soon.